Dr. Arnie K. Abalos, Dr. Arnie Catherine Abalos,
Right after the induction, pupunta tayo na lang sa it takes 2 hours, additional 2 hours.
The Abalos sisters went home because they have an important activity in Catalonia. It's their city fiesta. To PDA President Dr. Lucido Linyal, may I present to you the new members of Calbayog City Dental Shop.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chair. At this point in time, to render the charging of the members, we call on the Vice President Visayas, Dr. Sandro Raymond T. Taero.
Maupay nga ka. Maupay ka. Or Munto. Munto na, di ba? Kaya na. Oo. Sa pila ka days nga balik-balik. Years nga balik-balik. Anyway, my greetings to all our colleagues and friends here in Calbayog, especially to the IPP, Dr. Hanilet. Congratulations. Tapos na. Pero may isang year pa ha, guide mo si Dr. Jonas. And of course, Dr. Jonas, good luck and best wishes. Tsaka relax ka lang. Ito si Dr. Jonas tumatawag sa akin. Lagi kong kausap si Dr. Jonas. Laging tense. Lagi ko namang sagot sa kanya. Lagi ko namang advice sa kanya. Dr. Jonas, relax ka lang. So, kaya-kaya Dr. Jonas. Ha? Andito kami. Of course, congratulations to the members of Calbayog on your 13th induction ceremony. And as your Vice President for the Visayas, it is my duty to administer the charging of our new members. Doctors? Now, doctors, on behalf of the Philippine Dental Association, we welcome you all to the folds of organized dentistry as a pledging member. It is customary that the Philippine Dental Association charge you to guide you to act the highest order of tribute to our profession. The Philippine Dental Association is where you belong, and you should be part of it. Don't just be a mere member, but be actively involved and committed. You should also share your time in participating, cooperating, and supporting all the programs and activities of your chapter as well as in our mother organization, the PDA. When you do then, and only then, you will be recognized as truly active in our organization. You must assert your influence to make your community dental health conscious. Do not support or engage in the illegal practice of dentistry. And above all, you should uphold the Constitution and bylaws of our beloved country, the Philippines, and that of our professional organization, the Philippine Dental Association. Please always follow the code of ethics of the dental practice. You keep this in mind and in your heart. Okay? So congratulations and welcome to Philippine Dental Association and to PDA Calbayog City Chapter. Mr. President, your new members are now ready to take your oath.
Pa, uwi ka na lang. I state your name. Having been accepted as a new member of the Philippine Dental Association. Calbayog City Chapter. Do hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties of being a member of the PDE Calbayog City Chapter by abiding with the code of ethics of the dental profession, upholding the provisions of the Constitution and bylaws of the Association, carrying myself as a deserving professional worthy of respect and emulations by my peers.
Carrying myself as a deserving professional worthy of respect and emulation by my peers.
And that I will do this voluntarily without mental reservation of purpose of evasion.
And that I will do this voluntarily without mental reservation or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations and welcome to Calbayog, PDE Calbayog Dental.
May I invite the Council Past President, during elected officers to welcome your new members. Council Past President, during elected officers. Council Past President, mag-aabot ng siguro 1,000. Sa akin. This is a show. Sabi ni Dr. Pearl, bakit daw candidate? Dapat daw man. Si Hazel pala.
Story yan. Sama mo naman kami dyan sa story.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. One more po. Thank you.
Siyempre, once in a lifetime lang yung picture.